This is another update on my pets. I got the fish in a 30-gallon tank. I have a new Cory cat, but I don't know what kind of species or what type of Cory it is. But I don't know where it's at. Trying to find it. Oh, it's right there. It's coming. If anybody could tell me what kind of Cory cat this is behind that green plant, just leave a comment below. I'm trying to get a better picture of it. The fish are getting excited. They think they're gonna get fed. I got 2 Bolivian reals. Look at it. It's pretty big too. It's about like 3 inches. Oh, there he is. If anybody knows what kind of Cory cat this is, please leave a comment below, because I cannot figure it out. He's bigger than my other Corys. This one's about like 3 inches. Alright, thank you. Bye.